Okay, so in this second part of this cube, we will treat the problem of parity that we could get. In fact, we have solved the top layer, but we see that we have here still one exchange to do. And let's do it. So we will have 2L U, 2L U, 2L to U, 2L to U, 2L U, 2L U prime, 2L. Okay, I have solved this red top layer, but I have created here a situation where I have a reverse of this line. This line should be like this. So to get it back to its normal position, I have to do the same, not the same, I will do the other one, like 2L to U, 2L to U, 2L to U. Okay, so I have, but I'm still in a problem because I have reversed this, but I have here one exchange to do, two opposite edges. And the problem is that there are no other edges to exchange. So if I exchange this, I will reverse this line. I will need another algorithm to get it back to its normal position. So to break this situation, we have to do something that could break it. And the thing that we do, the idea is, you see here the white centers. What we will do is that we will exchange one white with another white. It will not change the situation here, but what it will do, we will do the exchange by using the algorithm that exchanges or swaps two corners. No, not corners, two adjacent edges. So by doing it, we will not change at the end the solution of the white center, but we will break the situation that we had in the first place. So it's 2L U, 2L U, 2L to U, 2L to U, 2L U, 2L U prime, 2L. And I get the white center again. In this procedure, I have kicked this from its place. I have to put it back here. It's very simple. It's like this. Now I need to place this corner down, and to do it, I need to do the 2LU, 2LU prime, but it's not in its correct position. I have to flip it first. So it's up to U, down to U, up to prime, down. Here it is. I have to flip it again, up to U, down. And here it is. It is in its correct position. I do 2L U, 2L U prime, 2L. And to flip this, I do another time, or the 2L to U, 2L to U, 2L to U. And I have constructed these two layers. Now I move to the top. This is in its correct position. This is in its correct position. And here we got back to the problem of exchanging these two corners. This corner should be here, and this one should be here, in fact. So to get them back, we have to remember the sequence of two algorithms, but before we have to make sure that we have a correct corner here and the one that is not correct here. And we start by, we will kick this up from this position to the top layer, which is the red. It's now in the position of down, but it is the top for me. And then I will put it back using another algorithm. So it goes like this. Here it is. So it's here. I want to put it here. So I will do the algorithm that exchanges or swaps two adjacent edges. It's 2LU, 2LU, 2L, 2U, 2L, 2U, 2LU, 2LU prime, 2L. Okay, I got it back and I see that this corner is correct. This one is correct, but these two need to be exchanged. But before this, I see that I have to make the cross first. So remember the red cross. Here it is. And by doing it, in fact, I see that all the corners are correct now. This is correct, this is correct, this is correct, and this is correct. You just have to flip them to see that they are correct. So I do the up to you, down to you, up to you. I put the correct one here, and the three that are not correct will be in the right position. Up to you, down to you, up to you, down. And we see that all the red corners are in their correct positions. Now what we see is that I have a blue here that can be exchanged with this white, and I have a yellow here that can be exchanged with this green. And that's great because I have two exchanges to make. The first one will reverse this central or middle line. The second one will get it back to its normal position. Okay, so I broke the parity. Remember that when I started this video, I had only one exchange to do here of edges. Now I have two exchanges, which is great. I will not have the problem of reverse of this middle line. Okay, we will start by the white and blue. So it's the 2LU, 2LU, 2L to U, 2L to U, 2LU, 2LU prime, 2L. This will be reversed when I do the exchange between this and that. And it's 2LU, 2LU, 2L to U, 2L to U, 2LU, 2LU prime, 2L. And my puzzle is solved. All I have to do now is to get this back. So I hope that I have covered all the situations that you could encounter on this type of puzzle. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. It would be a great pleasure to respond to you about all the tricks and all the problems that we could encounter on this 4x4 evil twin cube.